Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. Please, I don't want you to miss this coin for any reason. Please, I don't want you to miss this coin for any reason if you are watching this video. All right, so this is Bnbbank token, right? This token is already on, it has been trading on Pancakeswap, and you can even see it on PoolCoin, right? So as this coin is, I'm still going to buy some of them after even I claim the airdrop. All right, so I also want you to claim airdrop in case if you don't have money to buy this coin, right? Just try to claim the free airdrop, right? So then all what you need is just this information right here. So this information is going to be in the description section under this video, and also it's going to be inside my Telegram group, right? So I'm going to post everything there, but I want to beg you, please don't miss this coin for any reason. This is BNB Bank. It's going to be crazy. You can go and check it on Pancakeswap, right? So this coin is still going to skyrocket. It's already down, right? So by the time it's going to skyrocket up, everybody's going to be happy. So don't miss it. Make sure that you claim this free airdrop right now, right? Okay, so all what you need to do is just to copy this link. You're going to see this information, as I said earlier, inside the description below, and in my Telegram group. If you're not in my Telegram group, click the link to join my Telegram group right now. Okay, so once you copy the link right here, all you need to do is just to go to your Trust wallet and make sure that you have some BNB in your smart chain. This is a smart chain, right? This is smart chain, right? So make sure that you have at least more BNB there, so for you to be paying the transaction fee to Trust wallet, right? So once you add that, make sure once you have that, all you need to do again is just to come to this dApp, right? So just click on dApp right here and copy the link, the airdrop link. When you copy the airdrop link, then the next thing you're going to do right here is just to go to this search box right there. Okay, so then I'm going to paste the link there, then paste the link there, and then click on done. So you can see that the link is now loading. Then the next thing you're going to do right here is just to change the Ethereum logo, because you cannot pay with Ethereum. If you want to pay with Ethereum, it's going to be expensive, and the transaction fee is going to be expensive. It's going to be, because they are asking us to pay like $10-20 for transaction fee. So instead of that, what you're going to do is just to go to that link right here and change it. You have to change it to a smart chain. This is smart chain. The second one on the list is the smart chain. So one click and change to smart chain so that the fee is going to be minimal, right? So you can see that it has been changed to that smart chain, right? When it changes to the smart chain, it's going to be reload. The link is going to be reload. Then this guy is giving out 500 million BNB Bank, so for free. That is the airdrop, right? As you can see, it right away. So what you need to do is just to click on it. Once you click on it, you just need to click on claim. All right, you can see that I just click on claim. Then after clicking on claim, you're going to see connect. Okay, then you're going to click on connect right here. Okay, after clicking on the connect, you can see, so this is the amount that you're going to pay for us to be able to claim this free airdrop. Then that's why I said you must have some money in your smart chain at BNB, in your smart chain and Trust wallet to able to pay it. So then what I'm going to do is just to click on the approve. So once I click on approve, that's all. You can see it's loading, and let's wait for it to finish loading. All right, you can see that it just said success, claim success, right? So you just claim this. Then what the next thing you're going to do is just to go back to the information that you have. You see, you're going to see Trust wallet and contract address rather. Then what you need to do is just to copy the contract address right here. Then you go back to your smart chain. When you get back to your smart chain, then you're going to say exit. You're going to click this one. Then you're going to come to wallet. Then once you do that, then you're going to click on these two lines right here. Okay, so what you need to do is just to click on it. Then you're going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see add custom token right here. So click on the add custom token. Then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on this Ethereum. You have to change it back to smart chain, right? smart chain. You can see that has been changed to smart chain. Then the next thing is just to click on this paste. So you're going to paste the contract address that you just copy from the information that is inside the description or in the group, because you might not be able to copy the information in the video description below. So that is why it is very important for you to join the group so that you'll be able to copy it easily, right? So then after that, you can see that all these are populate. Then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on done right here. Okay, so just click on done. After clicking on done, so you're going to see that our free airdrop is going to be credited right away. So okay, so guys, I want you to claim it multiple times. Just try to claim it multiple times and wait for when it's going to be skyrocket. It's already on Pancakeswap, right? It's already on. It has been trading on Pancakeswap. It has been trading on Pancakeswap. I can just copy the contract address and go and check it right there. But right now the price is still low, and I know that very soon it's going to be skyrocket. I know as the father of all the crypto, which is Bitcoin, is still, you know, on low level. So by the time, I know that as from January, February, you know, all the coins will start rising back. Okay, so you can just be patient. This one is already on Pancakeswap. Go and check it, please. Don't miss it for any reason. Please don't miss it for any reason. This is Bnbbank, right? Bnbbank, and it's going to be skyrocket maybe January, February. It's already in the market. It has been trading the market. You don't need to be waiting for it. It's already in the market, right? So now you can claim it multiple times. Claim it multiple times, all right? So then if you want to tell your friends about it as well, you can also promote it and tell your friends about it. I think when you promise your friend will get 500 million token, while you get half of it, which is 250. Imagine if you tell like 10 or 20 friends about this token, they just pay like few amounts to, you know, claim 500 million token for themselves to make money when the price is skyrocket up. Then you get reward from this platform right here. Then you can also go to their well, let me see, let me check their website. You can also go to their, you can check social media handles. You can see their social media handles. You can join their Telegram to follow them as well, because it is very important to be following them. Even this morning, something happened to me which is very, very painful. There are some free token that we have airdrop that's already in the market from the previous one that we have, you know, claimed. They are already in the market. The price has skyrocketed and now dropped. So painful. There's one of them that I've supposed to have made like $2,000 something, but right now the price has dropped to like just few dollars, right? But I'll be waiting for it to go up again, right? So that is how this one works. So make sure that you follow them. This is their Twitter, this is their Telegram, right? So you can also go through their website right here now, guys. So once again, let me tell you, don't miss this coin for any reason. Just try to, you know, claim it right now. Try to claim it right now. Try to look for money and claim it right now. If you can claim it 10 times, you can claim it 20 times. Well, it's still the same process that you used to claim the first one that you're going to go through to claim it in multiple times rather. So this is what I have for you guys today, right? So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.